Come test drive the 2020 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.